How to use the noise reduction tool in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip you want to clean up in the timeline. Then, go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom. Next, find the noise reduction in the FX Effects panel. Now, enable temporal noise reduction by clicking on it. This method uses information from multiple frames to reduce noise while keeping details intact. Adjust the frame setting to decide how many frames Resolve will analyze for noise reduction. Usually between 3 and 5 frames works well. After that, set the motion estimation mode to enhanced or better for more accurate noise tracking, but keep in mind it will use more processing power. Then, adjust the motion range slider depending on how much motion is in your clip. Higher values work better for fast movement and lower values for slower still scenes. Next, tweak the threshold and amount sliders to control how much noise is removed. Start with small values and increase gradually while watching the preview to avoid losing important details. You can also use a special noise reduction if needed, which reduces noise within a single frame. Adjust the mode and radius to fine-tune the effect. Remember to play back your clip and check different parts to make sure the noise reduction looks natural and doesn't blur important textures. If your system is slow, try reducing the frames to speed up playback. And that's it. Now you know how to use the noise reduction tool in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.